A Zionsville town council member is facing serious allegations. A lawsuit claims she took advantage of a woman living with dementia and then convinced her to sign over her deed to a property that had been in the family for over 100 years.
The counselor says that the two were close friends, but court documents are painting a different picture, and the family has a different story as well. Marina Silva has been digging through this lawsuit and has more. Marina, these allegations go well beyond just a property dispute.
Absolutely, and it's a civil lawsuit filed by former NBA player in Indiana, Mr. Basketball Josh McRoberts, and it accuses Zionsville town councilor Sarah Sampson of taking advantage of his grandmother, Carolyn Pennington. It's all while she was living with dementia. Now, I want to show you, this is the Ford Road property at the center of a bitter court battle. Court records say the home has been in Pennington's family for 150 years, and she wanted it to stay that way. Sarah Sampson lived right next door, but according to the lawsuit, everything changed in Carolyn's final days. Court documents say just 1 week before her death, Pennington signed a deed transferring the property to the Sampsons for $750,000. Records show Pennington had been diagnosed with dementia and was living in a senior care facility. The lawsuit alleges Sampson removed her from that facility, became a trustee, and later helped facilitate the transfer of the property. Court filings also claim Sampson told staff Pennington would receive around-the-clock medical care while living with her. Now, less than a month later, Pennington died in the hospital. The lawsuit goes even further, alleging Sampson had Pennington embalmed without notifying family members, preventing an autopsy and potentially leaving questions about her cause of death unanswered. Well, now both sides are waiting for the judge's decision, and there's no timeline for when that ruling could come down. I'll keep checking. I'll explain more about what happened in the court hearing that happened yesterday, coming up at 6:30.
And she still bought the property, technically, because she paid $750,000 for
Yes.
it. Okay,
Yes.
but still how she got there is seeming to be the question.
Those are some of the questions, yep.
All right, thank you, Marina.